Welcome. The Heikan Ashi Smooth Strategy is a trend-following system, working on the 4-hour time frame. This system works on all currency pairs, and requires 3 basic indicators. 1. The Heikan Ashi Smoothed Indicator. 2. The Rex Oscillator. And finally, the 14-period average true range. Entry conditions. To decide the direction we are trading in, look at the past 2 moves of the smoothed Heikan Ashi and determine which move had the most bars. In this instance, we can see in the last 2 moves 22 blue bars were printed, while the second move printed only 14 red bars. Due to this blue bias, we will be searching for a buy position on the next blue candle. Once the next blue candle is printed, we take a buy order at its closing price with a stop loss which is 1.2 times the ATR's value from our entry price. Here we can see this trade has gone in our favor, meaning we'll now be looking for an exit. To determine our exit, we look to the Rex Oscillator. When the Rex crosses with the red line over the green, indicating a sell signal, we exit our trade. We should, however, avoid exiting on a mini cross, that is when the cross is almost unnoticeable, as this may simply be a retracement. In the event of there being an overall red bias in the last 2 moves, we would be looking for a sell position, and awaiting the Rex Oscillator to cross green over red. Keep in mind if the last 2 moves have an equal amount of red and blue bars, and show no specific bias, we do not trade and wait for a bias. We do not look to the Rex anytime other than exiting a successful trade. This strategy has been found to work on all pairs in most time frames, and is best used across all currency pairs at once to better diversify exposure. Keep in mind while some currency pairs may have winning years, others will have losing years, and it is essential to trade across a multitude of pairs, if not all majors and minors. After backtesting this strategy over 5 pairs, and analyzing 250 trades in the past year, with just 1% risk, we can see an overall profit of 32.86% on just 5 pairs while keeping drawdown minimal to under 7%. If you have a larger appetite for risk, you may like to risk 2% per trade for an overall profit of 65% plus in 1 year, using no guesswork, minimal effort and screen time. Feel free to experiment with the rules of this strategy and do plenty of backtesting to establish what works best for you. Below will be download links for all indicators and the results from my backtesting. You should like and subscribe.